Hello everyone and welcome to Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. Spring is rapidly approaching, which means we have a change in weather. This brings rain, which is a new element for your vehicle to be subjected to. So in today's video, we're going to show you the easiest way to add protection as well as maintain a beautiful shine. So let's hop right in. HydroBlitz is the all-new, easy-to-use spray wax which lays down a durable layer of ceramic protection while adding that warm glow that you know from your favorite carnauba waxes. And it's very easy to use. You simply shake up the bottle and spray it directly onto the surface. A very easy to use spray-on, wipe-off formula, but there's a few things to keep in mind. We already washed this vehicle and clayed it to remove any impurities, but if you want to take it a step further, you should also polish the vehicle to remove any kind of scratches and swirls. This way you get the best overall finish. Now we'll start here and simply spray it directly onto the panel, giving it a moment to dwell, and then taking a clean microfiber towel, we'll start working it in and wiping off any of the excess. Again, a simple spray-on, wipe-off formula. And this is safe for all of your exterior surfaces, such as your glass or anything that's painted, shiny, or clear. It'll wipe right off of your textured plastic and rubber trim. But again, this is going to enhance that beautiful warm glow while repelling harsh elements and giving the surface hydrophobic properties, which will make it harder for dirt, water spots, and other kind of elements to stick. And it really is that simple. So we're going to continue the same process around the rest of the vehicle, maintaining this beautiful shine while adding that durable layer of protection. Our next area of protection is our tires and trim. And to do so, we'll be using HydroShield, which is going to add ceramic protection to all of our interior and exterior vinyl, rubber, and plastic components. And it's very easy to use. Just like all of our hydro lines, simply start by shaking up the bottle. And we'll use a foam applicator pad to spread an even coat. Just spray a little bit into the applicator. And we'll start here at the top of the tire, working it in, back and forth. And we've already cleaned the tire, but you can see that it has a very dull, almost brown finish. And that's just the natural occurrence of blooming on tires. But this is going to help reject harsh elements like UV rays that potentially crack and discolor the tire over time. Same with our trim. Harsh elements like UV rays beat down and cause the trim to fade and look chalky, or it'll start to deteriorate over time. But by applying a protectant such as HydroShield, it'll help keep it looking OEM for as long as possible. And I'll leave a little bit of before and after so you guys can see the huge difference that HydroShield has made. But now we'll do the same application, just using the other side of our foam applicator pad on our trim. And you can just see how much of a difference that HydroShield makes. Just work it back and forth. We can give this a moment to bond and then wipe off any of the excess. Or if you like the finish that you've achieved, you can simply let it dry. And this will last through any washes or rainy season, maintaining that beautiful deep finish. And this can be layered with your favorite dressing to achieve that level of shine. But again, this is going to help repel water spots, and it'll keep the surface cleaner because of the rejection of dirt and dust, just helping it maintain that deep, lustrous finish. So we've just finished dressing and protecting the tires and the trim around this Mazda, and now we're moving on to one of the most important, if not the most important areas, the windshield. HydroView does an amazing job of creating a ceramic hydrophobic barrier that helps to reject water as well as harsh elements. And like we keep mentioning, we're moving into spring, which means we're going to be interacting with a whole new level of weather and all kinds of inclement conditions. And HydroView is going to help protect the surface while also cleaning it. And it's very simple to use, just like all of our hydro line. We'll just start by shaking up the bottle and spraying it directly onto the windshield. Now using a blue workhorse microfiber towel, we'll just start working it in. And if the surface feels rough, you can also clay bar it to ensure that you're not locking in any kind of contamination, because a clean surface ensures a longer lasting bond. But you can see this is just an easy way to give your vehicle a super clean finish while also rejecting water spots. This way, when it's raining, you're not going to need your windshield wipers as often. And speaking of windshield wipers, now is a great time to inspect the blades just to make sure they're not overly dirty or they're cracking and deteriorating, because you don't want to be out in the rain trying to replace these. And there you have it. You see, it really is that simple to give your vehicle that durable layer of protection while also cleaning it. And a great way to maintain it is by using HydroSpeed. Now, this is a quick detail spray that is infused with ceramic properties, which is going to help boost your coated and non-coated vehicles. This will help give you that water beading. This is a great way to pick up dust, debris, fingerprints, and any other kind of messes you accumulate on your drive. Just keep a bottle in your car, and this is a great way to maintain a beautiful OEM finish. So guys, if you liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop your comments down below for any future videos or anything you may have questions about. If you want to check out any of the products you've seen us use today, head over to our website, chemicalguys.com, or the local detail garage, and we'll see you next time.